In this video, we'll take a look at how to track HTML forms with Pixelflow. Here's an example that I've created for a contact form. We've got name, phone number, email address, message, and a submit button. There's a couple of different steps to tracking forms with Pixelflow. The first step is that you need to add this code snippet to your form element or your wrapper div. So that will be this section here. Let's take a look at the code for this and we can see how it's applied. As you can see, we have a div class form container. And in this form container, we have form class, info form container pf. So that is this section that we've added to the form container. This is going to let Pixelflow know that it's a form, so we can tag different elements like the name and email address and send that information along with any event that's sent from the form. The next step is to tag your submit or whatever button you have to send the form with the correct class. To find the right class or code snippet for your button, go to the How to Track and Trigger Events Using Classes page in our documentation. This looks complex, but it's really simple. All you do is scroll down to the General Events Classes table and choose the event that you would like to trigger when your contact form is submitted. So for a contact form, it's probably going to be a contact event or a lead event. Let's use contact event. So you can see this is the event. This is the code snippet that we need to apply to the button. I'm going to copy this and we're going to paste this onto the submit button. So I'll scroll down to the submit button. I've applied this class or code snippet to the submit button. The final step is to tag the different metadata elements so that we can pull that information and send it along with the payload to Meta. We're going to tag the name, phone number, email address so that that information can also be sent along with the event, and it'll increase the event match quality in Facebook, which means Facebook can find you more people like those who are submitting your form. To do this, we need to tag the different elements. So if we scroll down on the How to Track and Trigger Events Using Classes documentation, scroll down to the form event classes, and this lets us tag all the different sections on the form. As you can see, we ask for the user's name. So first name, last name, or full name. So we're going to use info customer full name, copy this, and we can apply that class to the name section. The next one is phone number. Phone number is this code snippet, copy this. We can apply it to the phone section as a class. Next one is email address. If you copy the email address code snippet from here, and we can see we have it as a class listed here. Once we've saved all the information, we can take a look by inspecting the form. If we right click on any of the sections, and we'll see that it has the class, info customer full name, Pixelflow. Same with the phone, info customer phone number, email address, info customer email address. So to recap, that's going to track the user's name, phone number, email address. It knows it's a form, and it's going to send all of that information to Meta as a contact event once the form has been successfully submitted, along with that metadata so we can better find and match similar customers to those who have filled in the form.